Om Ganeshaya Namah. Om Ganeshaya Namah. Om Ganeshaya Namah. Jai my mother, goddess, my great grandfather's devotion goddess, my goddess, my mother, Ma Melody. This is the at least 455 years old story. One of the village which name was Kalada, located in Gujarat state of Bharat. Nowadays the name of village is Janabad, and this is a story of that village. This story is goddess Ma Melody and one of his disciple whose name was Ratna Barot, and he was a great devotee of Ma Melody. This story is a miraculous story how the goddess Mother Ma Melody did the miracle on her unique devotee as Ratna Barot, or now we can say him that the great grandfather Ratna Barot. In Kalada village where Ratna Barot named person was staying, he was a great devotee of goddess Mother Ma Melody. We will use Ma word in place of mother in the entire story, so I shall use Ma word for the mother goddess Melody. Please keep it in mind before I am starting to narrate the true story of great grandfather Ratna Barot and Ma Melody. Great grandfather Ratna Barot had having the fantastic luxurious best decorated and a beautiful wooden bed. In Gujarati language we use a particular word dholio for the best and beautiful wooden bed for like this kind of bed. This bed or dholio is still available there at the temple. For this daily bread and butter, one day great grandfather Ratna Barot went out from his small village to elsewhere to earn money. As he went out from his home and in his absence, somebody took the benefit of his absence. At village home, some thieves from Muslim community from his village steal his most beautiful, costly, precious bed from his house. We also can say as dholio, which was used by him for sleeping and taking rest. He was very tired when he came back to his home at midnight after his completion of his work. Since he was very tired, he wanted to go to bed immediately, so he went to his bed immediately, but he found that his precious wooden big bed or dholio was not available. Usually that bed was in front of the statue of goddess Ma Melody. He had disappointed and cut to statue of goddess Ma Melody. He was a great devotee of Ma Melody, so that he prayed to Ma Melody statue holding his both hands, and he was weeping out against the Ma Melody. He stood in front of the statue of Ma, saddened and began to weep, and he led doctor to Ma that I wasn't present at home, but you were present at home. Ma, how could someone steal my precious and beautiful bed in your presence? He asking the question to Ma. Then he sang a song in Gujarati which is like this way. Ma Dholio, Tara Ratnano Dholio, Ma Dholio, Tara Ratnano Dholio. ચોર ચોરી ગયા માં તારા રત્નાનો ઢોલિયો પાછો લાવી આપ મારો ઢોલિયો પાછો લાવી આપ મારો ઢોલિયો તારા રત્નાનો ઢોલિયો. Ma, in your presence and in front of you, how could someone steal my best, most beautiful, most expensive and most precious bed? If you cannot protect me and my belongings, then why should I worship you and pray you? Now I no longer want to pray to you and be devoted to you. Now I would not like to myself devote to you and would not like to be devotional to you, Ma Melody. Then he told Ma, if you don't bring my bed back tomorrow morning before 8 a.m., I will throw your idol, incense burner, incense lamp and all the things of your prayers and devotion into well, a lake or a river. And he could not sleep entire night due to this event. The next day the sun rises, and early in the morning the rich and big people of the Muslim community were trembling in their big and luxurious houses and were being taking the name of goddess Ma Melody, and that event continued for a long time and did not stop. Then thieves of Muslim communities who were stolen the costly, precious and beautiful bag of great-grandfather Ratna Barot understood the matter, why it is happening and for what. Then, as soon as possible, 12 women from the Muslim community carrying a bed on their shoulders walked towards the house of great-grandfather Ratna Barot with their trembling bodies. All the women reached the house of great-grandfather Ratna Barot with their trembling bodies because Ma Melody had already entered their bodies as a soul. 12 women from the Muslim community. In Gujarati language we can say 12 bibiyu. This word is used for Muslim women who are belonging from village of North Gujarat. I sing that short song in front of you of that event was happened. महपत धुणाव्या मेळिए महपत धुणाव्या मेळिए ने बीबियू धुणावी बा महपत धुणाव्या मेळिए ने बीबियू धुणावी बा अने तू ढोलियो लावी धरा हे तू ढोलियो लावी धरा. All those women with folded hands were crying and requesting Ratna Barot to please forgive us and express their regret and remorse before Ratna Barot. Then Ratna Barot told everyone, please don't apologize to me but pray to Ma and apologize to Ma. Ma Melody will forgive you and I am just Ma's devotee. They prayed to Ma and devoted themselves. Ratna Barot requested to Ma Melody, Ma please forgive all women. When great-grandfather Ratna Barot prayed and pleaded with Ma Melody, all the women immediately felt peace and calmed down. And they were all praying to Ma Melody and great-grandfather Ratna Barot repeatedly asking for forgiveness. Ratna Barot and Ma Melody forgave to all and then all the women returned to their homes peacefully. Even today, people from the Muslim community of Kalada village take visit to that temple and pray to Ma Melody and they offer flowers, coconuts and tawas to the mother Ma Melody, goddess Ma Melody. Here tawa means a Gujarati ritual in which small puris are made from oil, ghee and flour and offered to goddess. Now I have completed this story and Jai Dada Ratna Devi, Jai Mari Ma Melody, Jai Goddess Ma Melody, Jai Jai Ho. Jai